Today, we just received our prize for second place in the FJDynamics video competition. And today we're going to unbox this baby. So here we go. Let's go. Let's get to it. And, oh, there we go. This goes to the ground. And we have our FJD Trion case, as it shows there. Okay, here we go. The classic technical manual and a bunch of words that I never read. We have some ground targets for calibrating and also setting ground control points. Looks like about a pack of 10, something like that. Okay, ooh, exciting. Okay, first, let's do the camera itself. With this, let's see. Get the bag open. There she is. That's pretty. She's got the LiDAR sensor on top. This is where the RTK module goes. Here are the two cameras on the side, and here's a front camera as well, and the power button on the back. But we'll take a quick look at, oh, here's the USB connection on one side and nothing on the other, just the logo, FJD Trion. But we'll assemble it in a moment. So let me put that there next to all this confetti. Let's see, what else do I have? I have the chargers. Here's this one. Oh, this is what looks like the phone mount for the camera. Plastic bag. And so here is the phone mount. So I can mount it onto the side on the back of the FJD, like this, I suppose. We'll take a look. Figure that out later. I have a few more of the adapters for the power brick. That must be somewhere. Ah, here we go. Here's the brick. Must come as a US size. And then for our Euro, there we go. Looks like that. That's good. And here are the cables. We've got, looks like 3 different cables. We have a USB-A to USB-C. We have a USB-C to, it's a Y cable, and it goes to 2 USB-Cs. So I believe that's so you can charge both batteries at the same time. So here's one on one side and 2 on the other. And if you plug that in, that'll allow us to charge both batteries. That means inside the package, I have 2 batteries. Oh, one more cable. We have a USB-C to USB-A, but that's the female version. Not sure what that one's for, but we'll find out. I have, let's get this bag open. Oh, probably not the most graceful. Here's the RTK receiver, the GNSS receiver. That mounts to the unit. That gives me centimeter level accuracy for the time that this is actually in range. So we'll hook that up in a moment too. Somewhere, here, I'll put it there. And then inside the case is the base. That looks like that'll be for the handles. And we have one handle, and in the handle, that's where the battery is as well. So battery, hold on to it, and that mounts to the camera. We'll do that. We have one, and we have, I believe, the second one. Yep. Here's the second one, two, and the base. So why don't I go ahead and hook one of the bases up like this, or one of the batteries, I should say. Done. And then let's take the camera itself. And there she is. And then if I get this right, I can mount. There is a dot to match. There it is. And that is ready to fly. I believe, if I want, I can also set this onto here. So that way I can mount my phone to the back of it. I believe I can rotate like this. And then if I take a phone, and I can mount that to the back, and that allows me to see it completely. And that is one other thing in here. Looks like a plastic bag. Oh no, that is a clean, I know exactly what this is. This is a cleaner because you keep this guy clean like this. And it is even logoed with FJD Trion right on front. Pretty. And like that. And that will be our second one because we won the competition with the first one we purchased. So now we have a second one that we're putting into production. And that takes care of that. Thank you very much.